In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're creating a form for work, school, or personal use, being able to effectively incorporate checkboxes can significantly enhance the interactivity and functionality of your PDF documents. So let's dive right in and explore this process step by step. First, you'll need to open the PDF file in Adobe Acrobat that you'd like to edit. Make sure you have the document readily accessible on your computer. Once you have the file open in Acrobat, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find an option labeled All Tools. Clicking on this will display a comprehensive list of features and functionalities that Adobe Acrobat offers. Among these options, locate and select Prepare a Form. This functionality is specifically designed to help you create fillable forms within your PDF documents. It will make our task of adding a checkbox swift and straightforward. After selecting Prepare a Form, you will be prompted to click on Select a File. This step ensures you're working on the correct document and allows you to specify which file you'd like to modify with form elements like a checkbox. Once you've selected your file, click on Create Form. This action initiates the process of transforming your chosen document into an interactive form. Don't worry if a dialog box pops up at this stage, simply click OK. This quick confirmation allows Acrobat to proceed with providing you with the necessary tools to edit your form. Now it's time to add the checkbox. Under the Add Form Elements toolbar, you'll see various options, among them Checkbox. Click on this icon, which will let you create a checkbox that you can place wherever you need it on your PDF. Simply drag the checkbox to your desired location within the document. It's a simple drag and drop functionality that makes placing elements a breeze. Once you've placed the checkbox, right-click on it to access its properties. This step is essential as it allows you to customize the checkbox to meet your specific needs. The Properties window will open, offering a range of customization options such as appearance, including color and border, size adjustments, and naming the checkbox. You can also define other specific options here to tailor it precisely to how you want it to appear and function. And there you have it, a fully customizable checkbox added to your PDF. Remember, the ability to refine these details ensures your form is not only functional but also visually harmonized with the rest of your document. With these steps, you can now bring your forms to life, making them interactive and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful as you go about creating your own PDFs.